Hello again, YouTubers. This is GoMel12, and I'm doing another recording for Happy Wheels.
I have so much to tell you. You are my new best friend.
I made a few minor edits in this level. New text and more details has been added. I wanted to play music I mentioned inside the level, but I'm too lazy to even type it up. Copy and paste the link down here then. Or watch the video about some show. I'll just play it. Okay. Press space now. No, I can kill him. Yeah, I killed that beep. And I kill you. And I kill you. Does anybody want any more? I'm sorry, son. Ah, you got lucky. Pokemon died. You weird elf. Oh, that's my girlfriend. She died too. Sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Here, let me go. Watch out. Incoming. Ah, you just got lucky. You just got lucky. Die. I don't like you. I don't like old people. I don't like my son. You. I don't like Santa. Extended shape limit, so that's all. Hopefully you rated, because, well, that's what other people wanted you to do these days. I don't want to hit the wall. Yeah! How did I break something? Okay. One harpoon. Easy. Let's hope. Okay. P.S. Sorry for only using Segway, guys. I did that just to make it a lot harder for you guys. What are you talking about? Oh! Balls, that hurt. Yeah, you can get me. You know why? Because I'm Segway. Yeah, I'm so boss. I only did that in 2 tries. Till Busty's bottle run already did that. Kylon Memories. The Long Heart Donation. By Segway Guy. Hurry up and please don't tell me that it crashed. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. Oh man, now I have to revert it. Lawnmower Man. Throw toilet paper to the woman to the other bathroom. She has to catch it for you to win. Hey, old lady, you need some toilet paper? Here, get some. Get some. Get some. Why is it not getting to her? Get some. Get some. Get some. Get some. Get some. Get some toilet paper. No, get. Come on, get the toilet paper. It's right behind you, you fat old lady. Come on. Damn it. Oh, hello, old lady. You need some toilet paper? Here, I got a plenty. But I don't like you, so I'm gonna just throw it at you willy-nilly. Yeah. No. It's going to my toilet. It's going to my toilet. Get out of my toilet. Ready? Bam! you can wipe your fat ass with that. The pro pogos only. Well, I'm a noob, so noob. Pogo man. Wait for the screen to load. What the hell? Boom. Ah, fuck you. Oh yeah. Well, that's one. Meh. Alright. Okay. This is just stupid. Any person can go through that. Damn it. Okay, stand corrected. Come on. Why can't I do it? Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh yeah. Yes. I finally got it. Yes. I'm so amazing. Will I be the insane one? Well, I'm already sane. I can be insane. Yes, I'm so insane. Will I be the master of Happy Wheels? Oh no, no! I broke my pogo stick. How dare you? That's so rude. Come on. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. No, that's not gonna work. Come on. Flip. Okay, this. Crab walk. Crab walk. Okay. No, I can't do it. I'm just a master of Happy Wheels. I'm just insane. I'm so ashamed. Star Wars Sword 2. Based on episode... Okay, I have no idea. Roman numeral and Roman numeral. So I really don't give a damn. Pick your side. Fight against the Jedi or Sith. You choose. He is only a master of evil. His powers are weak. Why do I have a katana? No, that's not it. Okay. Who should I choose? Ready? Oh yeah!
Ah!
Long live the Empire. What? join the rebellion. I wanted to kill that Darth Vader. Why do you want to destroy me? I'm so lovable and cute and I don't want to die. And I'm stuck. Okay. Yeah. How did I kill myself? Okay, ready? Okay, let's try this again. Okay, Darth Vader, you tormented me for too long. Time for you to die. Yeah! Defeat Jabba and the Emperor. Okay. I don't want to do this to you, but...
Oh my God!
Yeah, guys. Yeah. Jabba the Hutt. No, I don't want that knife going in me. I don't want that knife. Let go. Yeah. Take that, you Jabba the Gut. Nom 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 nom. Okay, ready? Star Wars. I choose the dark side. Sorry, Master. Long live the Empire. Yes, I am making it through the whole thing. Destroy that rebel scum. Hey look, it's some guy with the laser.
No! Why?
That was not me. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm so annoyed. Oh, no! No! Okay, I give up. Okay. Tobuscus Jet Wall. The irresponsible dad. Okay, let's try it. Oh wait, I think I already did this. I already did this.
Welcome to my brand new website.
Shut up, you gay guy. The longest water run. Ready? Oh, damn. I believe I can fly. Oh, crap. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please rate and subscribe to my channel, Dinesh 2012. Okay, bye bye.